everyone, my name is Tia from Calm Creations on YouTube, and I haven't been around for a little while, but today is Wednesday the 7th of April 2021, and I'm trying just a little bit of a different take on my filming at the moment, so I thought I'd try a little vlog style filming, maybe a little bit every day. So I'm all set up, ready to settle in for the night and do a bit of stitching. I'm going to go on Zoom and get a few stitches in. So I'll be working on Crossword by Long Dog Sampler. I'm hoping to have it finished by the end of April, but we'll see. I've still got 8,500 stitches to go, but we'll see how we go. So I will leave it there, and we will hopefully see you back tomorrow for a little bit of an update, and I'll let you know how I got on. See you soon. Hello and welcome to Thursday I think it's the 9th of it's the 8th, Thursday the 8th of April 2021. And I'm just back for a quick update to let you see some progress of a couple of things I've been working on. So yesterday I said that I was going to do some work on Crosswords, which is a Long Dog Sampler chart, and I finished the another page. So I've now finished 4 pages. So there's how it's looking now. So I've taken it off the side bars. So I've just got 2 more pages to go, and then that's finished. So what my plan is for this is I need to work backwards across here and then up a little bit to get to the top left hand corner, and then I can do those 2 pages. So I'm hoping to have this finished by the end of April. So I'm very excited about that. So yeah, I need to move the frame now to so that I can start again and get that finished. So that's my update for that. And then the other thing that I've been working on, I've been out in the craft garage working on customer finishes. So this is my nighttime stuff. I'm started knitting a cardigan for my little grandson. So this is it. It's in a book called Moda. I've had this book for years, and I've knitted this cardigan before. I knitted it for my son, but now I'm knitting it again for Spencer. So it's that blue one, this one here. And when I knitted it for Lennon, I did exactly the same colours, but for Spencer I'm doing different colours. So my husband chose the colours. I dragged him to Lincraft. So the colours I'm doing are those are the same. Okay, so the body of it will be in the grey marl. I think that's what it's called. Colour marl grey. So that's the main body, and then the stripes will be in this brown, which is called marl bear. So that'll be what the stripes are. That way. There we go. So that's the wool that I'm using. It's 100% acrylic. But here is my progress. So this is the back. I've done just about all of the back, and then you can see on the sides there's that'll be where the splits are. So I just work on this my daughter and I are re-watching Outlander, so while I'm watching that I just knit away. It's easy at the moment, it's all knit and purl. So that's Spencer's jacket. And then the other thing that I've been working on, lost the charm, but I haven't for a while because this is my car knitting. When I pick my daughter up from school, I knit on this. So I made little double pointed needle cozies, so they just snap and your needles just pop in there so that the stitches don't fall off. So these are my vanilla socks. So I'll get all those needles out of the way. That's where I'm up to on those. So I've got to do 59 rows of just knit. So that's very, very easy knitting. You just go round and round and round. I've got a little place marker on the back. So you put one every 10 rows, so then you don't have to keep counting. It's nice and easy. So that's what I've been working on, but I haven't done any on the socks for ages because we're on school holidays now. So they just go back in there and they snap closed. Nice and easy. And that's about it for my own crafts. I will be back tomorrow and I'll show you my progress on crossword and whether I've done any knitting on Spencer's jacket. We haven't watched Outlander today, so we may do that later on tonight. We'll see how we go. But that's it from me for today. Enjoy your Thursday evening and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, welcome to Friday the 9th of April 2021 and I'm out in my garage craft room. As you would have seen by the intro, I've got a big day ahead with lots of things prepped, ready to go. I've got my work t-shirt on, my Marvel superhero, yes. And I will check back in later today, tonight, and give you an update of what I've been working on. I got this for Christmas. Just wanted to show you a kit from one of my girls, so I wanted to make this as well and see how that turns out. So it's a create your own wall decor. So I thought I would make that as well if I get time and yeah, see how it goes. So I will get on with my day. Everyone's still asleep at my house, but I will check back in later on and give you an update. Chat soon, bye. Hello, good morning and welcome. Today is Saturday the 10th of April 2021 and it is 10:45 in the morning, and I thought I'd quickly jump on and show you a bit of progress on what I've been working on before Spencer gets here, my little grandson. He's due today for a visit. So The other day I showed you that I had finished another page on Long Dog Sampler crossword, so I've now moved across and started, so I'll show you. I've come across now and filled in all that bit, and then there's 2 more pages coming down here, so I've made some good progress. Loving how that's looking. Yeah, it's good being monogamous, and you can just get so much done, and so I'm really enjoying that process at the moment. I don't know what I'm going to work on once that's finished, but I think I said the other day I want to hopefully have that finished by the end of April, but we'll see. And that's on 18 count Ada, and it is I'm using 2 strands of DMC 106, which is a orange variegated, so that's coming along nicely. And I think I showed on Instagram I did a customer finish, and it's called Izzy Deacon by Silver Creek Samplers. So this is for a customer. So it's a mounted flat fold, so that opens out and it stands. That's that. That's the back. Who doesn't love a dancing skeleton wearing a sombrero? That is so cool. I love it. So that's Izzy Deacon. Now the other thing, the other night I pulled out, I haven't done any knitting on Spencer's jacket, but I pulled out ages ago, I showed on one of my floss tubes a little jellyfish, crochet jellyfish that I was making. So that's him there. And I've done the top part, so that'll be the head of the jellyfish, or the body, or whatever you want to call it. So that's that part done. And then I started on the tentacles. So there's one. So I've got to make 6 of those, so 3 in grey and 3, I think, all the other colours, yeah, grey and the aqua colour. So that's the ball of wool, or the cake. So it's just 8 ply double knit acrylic. So I can carry on with that and get that made up. But that's about it for today. Hopefully I'll be able to get on at some stage tomorrow. I'm going to set up now and do some stitching before the little boy arrives, and I'll pop back tomorrow. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you later. Bye. Hello and happy Monday. Today is Monday the 12th of April 2021, and I'm just back for a quick update on my progress on crosswords. I haven't done anything else crafty lately, yesterday or today, so I'll insert a little clip of where it's up to now. then I will pop back in tomorrow and see if there's any more. Have a lovely evening, and I'll see you then. Bye.